Hey guys, this is Ankit from Online Reviewers. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways in which you can duplicate an Elementor pop-up. So if you are new to this channel or hearing this voice for the first time, please subscribe us and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any tutorial videos related to online stuff from us. And before starting today's video, if you are someone who is frustrated with their existing hosting plan or their hosting server, then I have an amazing hosting solution for all of you guys, that is 5Cloud Host. The link is in the description, you can check it out. The amazing part of 5Cloud Host is that it offers a 5-year plan of rupees $47. So I have also made a review video of 5Cloud Host. The link is in the description, you can check it out. So let's start today's video. The first method is copy and paste method. So this is the pop-up that I have created for one of my landing page. Let me show you. So this is the pop-up that I have created to capture the name and email address. So now how you can copy the exact pop-up. Before proceeding forward, make sure that all of your content is in one main section. That is, there is one main section, and in that section there is a column, text editor and inner section. So make sure that all of your content is present in this main section only. Now what you have to do, you have to simply right click the main section and click the copy button, and then I will create a new pop-up, name it as something demo. So it will ask for the templates that you want to choose. I don't want to choose any template. Now what you have to do is simply right click here and hit the paste. So you will get the exact pop-up that we have created earlier in this section. As you can see, the exact pop-up is created and you can use it. So this was the first way in which you can duplicate a pop-up. Now the second method is import and export method. The main advantage of this method is that you can export your Elementor pop-up template and use it in your same website, as well as you can use it in your another website also. So now I will show you how you can export your existing Elementor pop-up template and use it in your same website, and how you can use it in your another website also. So here, when you will hover your pop-up, then you will see the export template option. Just you have to click this option. As you can see, the template is exported. I have successfully pasted the pop-up template. Now I will use it in my same website from where I have exported the pop-up template, as well as I will use it in my another website also. So this is the website that I was using for exporting the pop-up template. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on the import templates and you have to choose the file. And here is my pop-up template, and click import now. So the template is imported successfully. Now if we click on pop-up section, as you can see, there are two pop-ups of the same name. So this was the pop-up that we have recently imported. You can change the name here also. You can, we will name it something like demo 2 and update. Now if we go inside the pop-up template, as you can see, the exact same pop-up is uh, present here, and we have successfully imported the same pop-up that we have created earlier. So now let's see how you can import this pop-up to your another website. So this is my second website, and as you can see, I have not created any pop-up here. So simply here is an option, import templates. You can click here, and here is our template, and click import now. So now if I click on pop-up section, I have successfully imported the pop-up. So if I go inside the pop-up, as you can see, the exact same pop-up is available here. So in this way, you can export your existing pop-up templates and import it in any of your website having Elementor Pro. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you liked it, please like and share, and please subscribe us so that you don't miss any further tutorials.